Hello guys, welcome back to my video. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to turn on shift lock on Roblox. So don't forget to like and subscribe before we begin, and let's dive in. So the first we need to go and open our browser, and then we need to go to Google and search for Roblox here, and then open the official website of Roblox. And once you're here, you can choose any game that you have. For example, I get this one.
So I'm gonna click on it.
Now click on this button to play the game. You just wait a few seconds and open Roblox for sure. Give the permission to your browser to open Roblox so we can play the game. And now once you're here, click on ESC to go to settings and then click on settings here. And as you can see, shift lock switch, you can turn this to on. And click on escape once again to resume the game. And here you can click on shift in order to see this white point. And to cancel this white point, just click on shift once again. And that was all in today's video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and thanks for watching.